General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, let's do the work. Today's Monday, July 20. NASDAQ came up to this new day opening gap and just kind of chopped. Small range day, price respected the new dog. On the H1, we didn't make it to this gap. And just a tacky price action day. Engineering liquidity for the week is week 4. So we have another week before the month end. The daily chart, but inside day, I'd rather we break lower and then buy up to end the week. So June low is attractive. This rejection block is kind of holding right now. You never know with Trump. There's no news tomorrow. We can drop down here, go up here. I want to see higher though. S&P 100, the 15-minute. We didn't make it to the new day opening gap on this one. Kind of rejected that Thursday low. But we did get Friday low, previous week low. We didn't go as high on SPX, so money is flowing back to tech, which is a sign that the next rally will be fully supported this time around. We're not rallying yet though, so this could drag us down. All we need is NVIDIA to drop a little bit. So this just tacky Monday. Inside day, sweeping internal range liquidity. So we got this. We didn't close the brother though. On the daily, this inside day looks tacky, but internal range liquidity sweep, type 2 expansion, all of that sounds interesting. This would actually be the best possible price. This open price. Looking like we're setting up a type 2 expansion, which is just a sweep, then higher. So if we look at the stock chart, really respected that on the stock chart. Still the same idea though. I want to see strong buying. We haven't got that yet. So we'll see if we can do some order pairing right here. Maybe in one of these volume imbalances down here. This is a daily order block. Push heavy. High out red and higher. Best possible price is would be the order block. QQQ. playing in this new day opening gap, which created another gap because we closed here, open here. Open price for Friday seems good enough to me. Maybe Trump will do something to get us to June low. Okay, so right here, it's open price. I can see this volume up here. This volume balance needs buy side. And I don't like July open price just sitting there. So Nvidia is kind of doing the same thing. I think this is going to be what really moves this. I'm going to keep my eye on Nvidia this week. We could get like a Tuesday low of the week because Nvidia doesn't want to sell. So you can take Monday's low, kind of respect this, maybe 50%, and start buying up. Playing in the gap but not able to go lower. Here's the engagement for the day. This was a scratch. And about here, got out here. What do we do for the buys after we took pre-market sell side right here? And we rejected the opening range gap. I thought we was going to pop here. Came lower. Got back in. We was having trouble right here. I really wanted it here. Did I hold the plan? Yes. If not, what caused it? Not applicable. But did I do well? Execute. And see that it wasn't going to be a big day, so I stopped stalking setups. What will I do differently next time? Nothing. Notice the differential play out. Yep, typical Monday. What do we learn about pattern narrative of myself? I'm taking my time planning out the whole week. That ICT, what he did last week was phenomenal. So starting to study that more. What will I watch for tomorrow? Nothing on the calendar for the U.S. No earnings, no economic events. I think Australia, other country, Great Britain got some news tomorrow, but that's it. And that's that on there. Y'all have a good day. Peace.